The Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers cause wheel vibration. People worry that the GLC-Class wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, GLC-Class wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is one sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the GLC-Class wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug bolt are the two first factors users focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric GLC-Class wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacers mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made large to fit a variety of vehicles. In this case, well-produced hub-centric GLC-Class wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality GLC-Class wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road, since the wheel bolts and the lug nut use a clamping force to secure the GLC-Class wheel spacers and wheels. If the bolts or nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel bolts of BONOSS GLC-Class wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged STM4 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard Grade 4.9. With high strength, your GLC-Class wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric GLC-Class wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and the wheel are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center fold of the wheels to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric GLC-Class wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS GLC-Class wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the ferrules fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gas. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since GLC-Class wheel spacers are components that can tear the other part, you absolutely need tight tolerance.